they throw one on me. I thought I kind of had everything in hand, and lo and behold, one of my grandsons comes flying up and I walked in the building and I'm thinking, dang, that kid looks like my grandson. They had staked me. I had no idea they were coming down here from Michigan, but my daughter, Christine, son-in-law, Greg, two boys, Brendan and Aiden, proud they're here. This is an honor that absolutely no one could begin to comprehend. When I came up to lawnmower racing started, 56, for you youngsters, back in the day we actually had what they call stock class. It was really a stock class, just legs off and hands on that thing. And I told some of the people after I raced my first race, at that time I smoked a pipe, and I said, my God, I could have a beer, smoke a pipe, and still race this darn thing. And they said, gotta have more speed. And I think most of us have been there and gone there and done some other things. But once again, being an old school administrator, you know, it's you folks sitting right there who make this organization. Without you taking your time, your money, doing it for the fun of it, doing it for the serious of it. Because once again, like we've always said, get on the track. Who in the heck are you? And I'm not going to take you out or anything, but by gosh, we're going to run as hard as we possibly can. And I think one of the things that we've got to keep in mind, this is one of the things when Bruce, talked to me about the Hall of Fame. I said, I feel extremely guilty. I said, all of us, or next year, and the two gentlemen that absolutely should be in the Hall of Fame. They're not dead either, they're still here. One of them was Bruce Kaufman, one of them was Bobby King. Because I tell you what, every one of us has run some type of event or something in the past. It's absolutely astounding the time that it takes, the money and everything else. And for God's sake, selling the lawnmower is one of the toughest jobs in the world. And these guys have done it. That's why we're able to do what we're able to do. And with that, once again, I am so thankful to this organization, STA-BIL, and I tell you, the nice thing is being able to work with all you guys and gals in some way, shape, or form. It's tough. Thank you.